Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo. In this video we're going to be learning the song Dusty Bibles by Josiah Queen. Right there it is. This song was requested by one of our subscribers. Thank you guys for commenting on my last video. Here we are making this video. Let's get it. So for this song we are going to be playing it. I'm kind of not sure if I should play it in original key or not. It's a little bit high, not going to lie, for me to sing. So maybe not. I guess we'll just do it original because, you know, why not? Let's struggle. Let's just struggle with it. So anyways, it's gonna start off with the verse. Before we get into it, please, you guys, please leave a like and subscribe. It really does boost this channel where we need to go, and a lot of y'all are just coming in, watching the video, not even saying thanks, not even saying, oh, think you did a good job, like nothing. Like they just come in here and they just like whatever. These videos take a lot of work and effort to make, so show your love. Appreciate that. And let's get into this video. We start off with the intro, which is your chorus pretty much, but it's the intro. So, and like I said, it's a little bit high, so if it's a little too high for you, what I would recommend is take this little capo off and everything the same, but just down here, right? So rather than playing over here, you play down here, key of C, but original is in key of D. For example, if you're gonna want to do it in a lower key, we got dust on our Bibles, brand new iPhones, no wonder why we feel this way. So it's lower, a lot easier. Even like a key of B would be a lot easier, but we'll do original. The intro starts with we got dust on our Bibles, brand new iPhone, no wonder why we feel this way. So that's the intro, right? It's basically the chorus. It is a little bit hard to do the fingerstyle. That's the fingerstyle. If you want to learn it, stick here. If you want to not learn it, you can do single strumming. We got dust on our Bibles, brand new iPhones, no wonder why we feel this way. You can do that, or you could do the fingerstyle like the way the song is. It's up to you. So the fingerstyle is so it's gonna be, so it starts like that. So it's gonna do that double thump at the very top. So you'd go through them once. So, and then right here, you're gonna go through all three. You're using these three fingers. You can put your pinky right here to stabilize. And you're gonna go ahead and go top, second string, right? And then you're gonna do your A minor chord, right? So it starts with your A minor chord. This is your chords, A minor to your A minor to your G, to your C, and then to your F. Those are your chords. It's gonna be, the strumming pattern is gonna be, so you're gonna switch from this to this, right? Because you're switching chords right there, so it's sorry, I keep messing up. So that is your strumming pattern. They play it throughout the song. There's kind of like two guitars playing in the song. So one of them is doing this while the other one is just single strumming. So you could choose if you want to do the fingerstyle. If you don't want to do it, it's up to you. But that's the fingerstyle, that's how you do it. Don't forget that walk down they do. So it's on the A minor, G, C, C, walk down, and then back to your A minor. And you only do that walk down on the first pass. On the second pass, you just do your F. So you're only really playing these three strings right here. Your A string, your G string and your B string, right? A string, G, A, G, and B. Those are the strings you'll be playing for the fingerstyle. Like I said, it's a little hard to learn at first, but once you get it, you have it down solidly. So after that, we're gonna go into the verse. So again, like I said, you could do the fingerstyle. I'm not gonna do it anymore, just for simplicity's sake. You would play the fingerstyle on the verse as well. Anyways, so here it goes. Hey, how you been? It's been a while, and I'm just checking in. Miss the way things used to be back in 2017, and I just miss my friend. So that is your verse 1. Your verse 1 is going to start with your A minor, which is B minor, but since with the capo we're using C shapes, right? So A minor to your G to your C. That's your first line. So hey, how you been? Right, verse 1. It's been a while. Back to your A minor, to your G, and I'm just checking in. So it just repeats those 3 chords: A minor, G, C. A minor, G, C. I miss the way things used to be back in 2017, and I just miss my friend. It just repeats those chords. Very simple, just timing. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Whoops. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So it's just your timing that you have to watch out for. Make sure you listen to the song so you kind of get a good gist of it. Anyways, we go to verse 2. We're not going to go over it. It's the same exact thing. We're going to go into the chorus. The chorus, we got dust on our Bibles, brand new iPhones, right? So we got dust on our Bibles, brand new iPhones. No wonder why we feel this way. We walk with our eyes closed, blindly blindfolds, and I'm done with those idols and dusty Bibles. So that is the chorus. Like I said, it's a little bit high. It's a struggle, but we got it. So we start off with the A minor to your G, to your C, to your F. Now the F is kind of optional, but I like how it sounds. More specifically, when you're doing the F, doing that open sus F, sounds a lot better. So it starts off with a single strumming. We got dust on our Bibles, A minor, G, C, brand new iPhones, open F, right? No wonder why we feel this way. We, to your A minor, we walk with our, and then we start bringing in the strumming pattern. So for the strumming pattern, Josiah Queen loves that same strumming pattern. He does them on almost all his songs, right? So it's gonna be that down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So it's down, down, up, switch, down, down, up, switch, down, up, and then switch, down, up. So for every chord you do, it's going to be down, up, and then you're going to switch and do the same pattern, right? So down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. I've been walking down the down. It sounds like that other song he did, but anyways, that's the chorus, and there's also an interlude for this song where it goes. And then you go into your verse 3, right? Won't go over the verse 3. It's the exact same thing. And that's pretty much the whole song, you guys. A lot of the parts kind of repeat. You know, like the verse repeats for the bridge. The only difference is that obviously you're going to slow it down, build the bridge up. Like I said, there's different dynamics when it comes to it. Like I said, you could do the fingerstyle. You could opt to just do single strumming. As long as you got that main strumming pattern, you should be fine with that, to be honest. Just switching between single strumming and that pattern pretty much repeats. The whole song pretty much repeats itself when it comes to the chorus and the verses. Bridge is just the verse. It's about basically the same. So the structure of the song is going to be intro, which is your chorus, and then you're going to go to your verse 1, and then after verse 1 you're going to go to your verse 2. After verse 2 you're going to go to chorus. You're going to start chorus slow and low, and then you're going to build into that strumming pattern we talked about. Then you're going to go into your verse 3. After verse 3, you're going to go back full on chorus, full strumming pattern. So after the chorus, you're going to go into the bridge, but it's basically the verse, except it's slight changes. You're not going to go into the beginning of the verse. You're going to go into the middle of the verse. So rather than going, hey, how you been? Instead of doing that, you're going to go straight into the second half of that verse. That's pretty much the whole song. When it comes to the bridge, like I said, the only difference is you don't sing the full verse. You start from the middle, right? Miss the way things used to be back in 2017. So that part, that's gonna be the start of the bridge. The whole bridge pretty much is low. It doesn't build. If anything, it just drops. So after you're doing that chorus right before the bridge, it's gonna drop, and then you're gonna go into the interlude with the strumming pattern, and then you're gonna go into that bridge, right? And then from that bridge, you're gonna play it. You're gonna tag that last part. And I just miss my friend, right? And I just miss my friend. You're gonna do that part twice. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate y'all sticking to the end. Please leave a like and please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. I really do appreciate you guys watching and sticking to the end. So please subscribe and like and share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.